What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another banger video. Welcome back to another day. The day before my birthday. It is July 23rd. It is currently 7:58, probably 8:58 in New York. But currently in this position right now, as y'all can see, I don't even know how I like this position for real. But we got a lot of consolidation going on from the huge impulse we had yesterday. As y'all can see, markets took off yesterday. And now we are currently in this correction phase. I was looking for price to actually fall because it was failing to make new highs. So once I seen that it didn't want to break up to the upside, break and retest to the upside, I said, okay, it's going to want to sell. But for some reason, it seemed like price is just giving me a hard time with breaking right now. So like it's moving. Price action I think is like slow right now, honestly, anyways. But it's like it's choppy. It's super choppy. Like it wants to drop, but it don't want to drop. Currently in this position, currently floating around negative $12. Yeah, currently floating negative $12 with a 0.37. So I don't know what it wants to do, but it's like it wants to fall, but it don't want to fall. Like it's giving me moments where it wants to fall, but it's just like being stubborn right now. So it's like, I don't know what it wants to do. But I feel like in my heart of heart, it wants to fall. But like I said, price action is moving kind of funny right now. So it's just acting weird. And I really would like to open up another position, but it's just not giving me what I want right now. So I don't know how today's about to go. I might break even and just give it the day, because the thing is, like, once it's like the end of the month and the beginning of the month, like I told y'all always, that's where you see a lot of consolidation, or it don't want to go the way it wants to go. So who knows? But like it's giving me a little drop right now, but like I said, it's just acting really funny, and I don't even know if it's worth it or not. But currently floating around like $47. It's just being super weird, not gonna lie to y'all. Like it's being so weird. It's like it moves when it wants to move. Like it's no news. It's just pulling back, dropping, pulling back, dropping. Like, I don't know. I'm currently floating again around $55. It's just moving super weird, yo. Like, but it's like it's pushing. And see, like, where did that huge engulfing candle come from? So like now it's pushing. Like what is going on, bro? Like it is rallying right now. So as y'all can see, I'm currently up 130. I don't know what's going on, but it made it to that trend line that I want to see. So it finally dropped to this trend line, and now it's pulling it back again. So I think the sellers are not in the market. I'm looking for that probably break and retest to the downside, but like I said, price is just moving so weird. Like what? So it's dropping, but I think it wants to. Like I said, I know it wants to drop. It's just acting funny, and it's like, yo, what do you want to do? Like it's coming to the trend line though. Like it came to the trend line a couple of times, so it's like it wants to fall, but it just don't want to fall. As you can see down here too, it's like it's falling, but who knows? Currently floating around 120. I don't know. It's acting super weird, but I feel like it's gonna just drop. Because I feel like the sellers are here in the markets, so it wants to drop. I'm thinking it's gonna give me a break and retest, but then again, the way it's looking, I don't know. But then again, it's like if I get out and it fall, I'm gonna be sick. But if I get out, take my profits, be done for the day, then just call it, because like I feel like easy with it already. But like I said, it's dropping, so it's like one more push, like another hard push. I'm like, sheesh. But it's made it to my trend line. It dropped past my trend line, so we're currently floating like 170. I really want to open up another position. I'm not gonna cap, but I'm probably not. Yeah, I'm probably not gonna do that. So I'll keep y'all posted though. All right, y'all. So price is kind of pulling back a little bit, as y'all can see, but we're currently floating around 230, 240. We was up almost 300. Price is kind of pulling back a little bit, so I actually might just get out, call it a day. It was a good overall trade. Currently floating 230, 250. I might just get out and just call it. So I'll let y'all know in a second. If I make it to like 250, I'll probably end up taking my profits and just going. and we'll try another day because we're currently floating 250 right now. I might just end up closing this. I'm not gonna cap, and then just take my profits and run, and then it just be like a simple day, because I don't know what this is really doing, honestly. It's just moving so weird, and it's like I don't feel like being stressed because there's no need to be stressed. But it's like if I could let it ride a little bit longer, but so currently floating like 250, 260. Yeah. And then I could go for the break and retest. So let it at least pull back, break and retest. Or I can let it take my profits, let it break, retest, and then get back in and let it fall some more. I'm not mad at that either, which I might actually do. Because price is really struggling to like fall some more. It's really having a hard time falling. So I might just let that do its thing. Currently still floating on 270, 300. And just let it push. So this is the days of trading. But I will say I'm way more comfortable these days. Now it's currently 300. I'm way more comfortable these days, like while holding trades. Before I wasn't that comfortable, but now I am. So yeah. So I'm gonna let it push a little bit more. I'm probably about to get out soon at like 300 and call it like really a day. Trade update. So I currently got the trade at 130. Currently got 3 positions open. I'm about to actually close one of these positions because there's too many positions that I didn't want open. But price actually came to my trend line. It respected the trend line, and now I feel it's going to continue to drop. Price is currently floating negative $18. One of these positions I'm about to get out of is probably going to be this one. Take my profit, because I didn't want 3 positions open. But it happens, you know, when you clicking on the phones and stuff, it happens. But I might just take my profits and then start closing positions because I didn't want to do that. But price did reject from my trend line, so I'm expecting it to drop a little bit more like originally intended. So we shall see what's going to happen. And I think I did this one actually because this is upside down. Yeah. I'm currently in the negative $150, and I did not mean to do that. What the heck? So as soon as these positions start going green, I'm hop out these positions because I didn't want it to do that. Because I'm still going kind of conservative here, because the simple fact is I don't like the way price is still moving. Even though it gave us a great push, price action is just moving horribly, and I really don't want all these positions open, especially during this price action. So it might give us a good push. As soon as it do, I'm gonna start adding these positions. I'm just gonna let the camera keep rolling, but currently about to close this position. It's giving me a little push, so I'm about to currently close this position for the 15. Well, okay, I close that position. This is $15. So that's 15. We're back at 1602. So I got 2 positions open right now. Letting the trade still kind of play out. I think I might leave these 2 open, but I probably not. We're gonna see. Price is still in good standing, so it's still kind of struggling to make new highs for real, but we're gonna see. I kind of want this to drop a little more so I can at least get out of one more position, because I really do not want to be in this anymore. I mean that. Now I could just take the $100 hit and be done, but price is still failing to make new highs. So, and it's really respecting my trend line right now. So I feel like it's still opportunity for it to fall some more. And yeah, that was a huge spike that I didn't want. So we still trying to reach these lows down here. Still reach these lows. So price is going back to my trend line. I'm about 160 down. So yeah, like I said, I didn't even mean to put all those positions open like that. I only meant to do like a 1, because I seen that it was respecting my trend line. So 130 plus 15, like 150. It's respecting my trend line still. It's kind of bouncing off of that. So price is still doing what it's doing. Minus 130. Yeah. It's just kind of doing this thing right now. Down 80. Positions open. 45 and 45. Okay, so price did dumped a little bit more. So we currently up 200, 225. I closed it at 130, so 150. So 150 plus 230. It just dumped out of nowhere. Like it's going back to those lows I was talking about. So I think I'm definitely going to get out now, though. Yeah, I'm probably going to end up getting out. It gave me a good push, but I'm gonna go ahead and close. Close this. Good profits. Close this. Good profits. Currently 175. Whew, what a crazy day. So we made, because I actually took a loss earlier this morning, like at 200. So we are up in the account, but currently we just secured about $400 today. So I lost 2, made the 2 back, and then some. So I would have been up to like 2K, but price has been just moving so weird. So yeah, I'm gonna be done with this for the day. It reached my lows. It's probably gonna dump some more, but the way my price moving, I'm okay. I don't want to do it. So, and I got this in reverse. So yeah, I'll be back in like 2 seconds.